Here I've got Mr. Chad. So we have a history of some neck discomfort, a little bit of decreased rotation, so that's what we'll be working on today. Based off of Mr. Chad's listings here, we know that we need to do lateral flexion of his occiput, and he has a decreased lordosis in his cervical spine. So that means we need to do extension bilaterally. For him, it's going to be at C4 and C5, and then we do have a bit of an anterior listhesis at C6. So we're not going to put extension into that anterior listhesis, but we will at the segments above. So having adjusted Mr. Chad a couple of times, we know that one side goes a little bit easier than the other, so we're going to try to make it go as smooth as possible today. Okay. Alright, so we're going to come straight across for some extension. I'm going to have you relax your right shoulder. Perfect. Beautiful. That feel okay?
Oh, great.
Awesome. All right, we've got one more here. So left shoulder's going to relax. Beautiful. And that's the good side.
Yes, indeed. Always goes so much easier than the other.
Do a little bit of distraction here. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to have you scoot down just a little bit towards your feet for me, and then we need to do some flexion and lateral flexion for Mr. Chad's upper thoracic spine. So we're going to do fingers interlocked there. Good. Big deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. And again. All the way out. Beautiful. Very good. And we'll have you go on your belly for me. All right, so Mr. Chad's pelvis is usually pretty even. It's pretty even today. Those heels are lining up pretty well. But we do have to work on his lumbar spine. So we have degenerative joint disease at L1, 2, and 3. What that means is the facet joints on either side, as well as the vertebral bodies, have a little bit of what is known as osteophyte production, or increased calcium in those areas. So I'm going to have Mr. Chad take a big deep breath here, all the way out. Good. And again, big deep breath, all the way out. Good. And one more time, big deep breath, all the way out. Good. This one you don't need to breathe for. Good. Beautiful. All right. And we do have degenerative disc disease at this L5. Is that tender at all there?
Mild.
Mild. Good, good. So we're going to do 2 straight down. And then 2 with a I to S glide. 1 and 2. And the last one we're going to do is a pisiform lateral flexion at the L4. Help bring down that curvature. And then I typically like to finish off with some hypervolt to help with his traps here. And we can't forget counter nutation of the sacrum. So big deep breath here. Hold it. Exhale. And again, big deep breath. Hold it. Exhale. And one last time. Big deep breath, hold, and exhale. Beautiful. And we're still nice and even. All right, so it's a pretty standard adjustment, and thank you so much, Chad, for letting us do that, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.